guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Welcome back to the channel. I am super excited to be here today, and I wanted to do a face video instead of you only seeing my hands for this. I have a super fun announcement to share with you. If you are following my website or my email, my email mailing list, you probably already know, but I wanted to also do a video and give you a little sneak peek as well. So this Sunday, April 26th, I am going to be hosting a new online crop event, which is going to be a live online crafting event, and I'm super excited. And the theme is Mother's Day, so I wanted to just kind of have a day full of crafting together with you, and I am excited, super excited, especially because I went ahead and designed a full paper collection just for this event, which I'm going to give you a little sneak peek here in a little bit. Thank you to everyone who has signed up already, and this is going to be a one-day crafting crop event. So basically bring your craft supplies and let's just create a beautiful project together. I created the digital kit. You can definitely create with any of the paper collections that you have on your stash, but I figured I'll include the collection as a freebie for this event as well. So let me give you a quick look at what the collection looks like. Okay, so let's take a look at the paper collection that I designed for the event. So the collection is called Mother's Love, and I wanted to include all kinds of different, mother, daughter, mother, son, grandma. Just wanted to put a little bit of everything into this collection. I designed the collection as a landscape, so that way if you also want to use the collection to make a journal, it will be really super easy to just fold these pages in half and make a journal out of the pages. So lots of beautiful flowers, a little bit of vintage background here. Here's a mother with a new son, and again, so you can fold them in half and turn them into journaling pages as well. I also wanted the backgrounds to be light enough if you wanted to document in here, just kind of right on top of the paper, and make them also really kind of like a little bit of shabby chic inspired to make Mother's Day cards and all of that as well. So like I said, the collection I designed exclusively for this event, but I will be also probably listing these online at some point after that. So here we have a beautiful image of like a grandma reading a book with a little boy, so sweet. And then this one is probably one of my favorites when they're doing kind of like a meditation together, so super cute. Again, here mother and son, and a little bit more of a colorful background, and I loved all of the images on the collection, and I hope that you guys like them as well. Also for the event, if you are not able to make it to the live part of the class, I will have that link available after, so you can rewatch the class. That way, if you want to kind of craft at your own pace, you're welcome to join. Just watch and chat, and then come back and rewatch the class once you are ready to do your crafting as well at your own pace. But as always on the live events, I do like to check with everybody, make sure we're all on the same page before moving to a next section on the class. So the book that we're going to be making for this event is going to be 8 by 9, and it's going to be a landscape style book. So all you need to bring, besides the paper collection, if you would like to use these, you can print 1 or 2 sets to have ready for the day, but also you will need some cardstock, some heavyweight cardstock, maybe lightweight cardstock to do some pop-up features, some binding, and also some chipboard. So I do use the medium weight chipboard, and so this is about 2 millimeters thick here. So these are all listed on my Amazon store if you want to find a quick link. But yeah, so 2 maybe 3 pieces of chipboard, so 2 for your book binding, 1 for the spine as well. And so yeah, so also any elements that you want to use to decorate, like flowers, anything you can bring, will be also welcome for the class as well. But yeah, so I am super excited. I hope you guys are excited as well. I hope that you like the collection that I designed for this event. You can use any other collection that you have on your stash as well, but I just wanted to include this as a little freebie for everyone attending. So I hope you guys are as excited as I am for this class. I'm gonna have the link to the event on the description box below. Again, you will receive the free download for this collection as well when you sign up for the event, and I'm super excited and I can't wait to see you this weekend, and we're gonna have a great time crafting together. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.